Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to play cribbage. It's a great game for 2 to 3 people, especially if you're at home and all you've got is a 52 card deck. Everybody's going to start with 6 cards. Now both players are going to look at their cards, and of these they're going to keep 4 cards. Alright, these are going to go to the side. This is called the crib, and this will be an additional hand for the dealer to play with after the first stage. During the first stage, what is called the go, players are going to take turns laying down cards and counting out the pips. They're trying to reach 31, and while doing that, you're trying to score points. So, before the go gets started, the dealer is going to cut for the start card. That'll be our start card. Points in cribbage are scored by putting together 15s. They are scored by pairs, runs, and flushes. So, a typical go might look like someone says 6, this person says 14, got 24, then oh no, I actually can't play anymore because I would overshoot 31. So we'd go back to this player. At 24, this player can't go either, so 24 takes it, this player would score. And then we'd start again. This player would playing into 9, 19, 29. And this player would score a point for being the closest to 31 without going over. Now, this is a little interesting. This player would lay an 8, then this player would lay an 8. This player has created a pair, so they will get 2 points for the pair, and they're going to score an additional 1 for being the last card played. All right, so now that we've gone through the go, we're actually going to count the hands. The non-dealer player is going to start. Now, this person managed to pull out a flush, so they'll start with 4 points. Additionally, this player has a 5-card run, all right, from 10 to 6. So they're going to score 1 point for every card in that run. On top of that, they also have a set of 15 in here. Actually, they have 2 sets of 15. We've got this one and that one. So we've got 2 points for that 15, 2 for that, 5 for that run, and another 4 for that flush. And this player did very well. The dealer gave themselves 2 pairs with the hopes that something might come up to give them 15, and it did. So we've got 2 points for this pair, 2 points for this pair, and then we've got 15 and 15 for another 4 points. So the dealer has scored a total of 8. Now we're going to go back to that crib that we created in the beginning and score that for the dealer as well. And the dealer wound up in here with a pair. Another 8 with the 7 will create 15. And that looks like all that they've managed to get in here. Not a fantastic crib, but it really kind of is the cast-off cards, so they did okay. Keep in mind there are some things that you'll score that will feel a little awkward the first couple of times you do it, but actually make sense if you play it out. For example, if there had been an additional card in here, say 10, 9, 8, and another 8, you'd actually score this twice, 10, 9, 8, and then your second 8, let's say it's this one. You'd score 10, 9, 8 once, 10, 9, 8 twice, and then you score 2 points for this pair as well, making what they call a double 3-card run worth a total of 8 points. Additionally, when there are multiple sets of pairs, it sounds kind of funny to score, but it's the same thing. So in this case, you've got 2 for this pair, 2 for this pair, and 2 for this pair for a total of 6 points. So that's cribbage. The scoring may seem a little difficult, but once you've played it a couple of times, you'll have a handle on it. It's a favorite of mine, and it has been for years, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you liked the video, hit the like button below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.